What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think about all the content. Let's get the subscribers up, all the numbers up, and let's stop waffling and get straight into the review. So we've got a orange box as opposed to the standard red and white sportswear box. So this one's got the swoosh on it and then Nike. On this side it's got some information. If you want to pause the video and read it, you can, because I'm not reading it out. On the bottom we've got the same information that's on every single box. Massive Nike swoosh on the back with Nike. And then we have a label which is covered by another label. So I'll just read out what it says here. So that's Nike Blazer Jumbo Low, W and BL leather, so that means white and blue. And this pair is UK 10, which is Europe 44. So we've got the blue Jumbo Blazer. I saw this pair and I thought, quite different, quite unique pair, to be honest. So I thought, let's get it, let's see what it looks like, let's review it, and I'll run through the information about the shoe. So the sole, standard, that creamish type of off-white color, nothing too fancy. We've got the midsole, which is the same color, plain old. Then when you actually have a look at the upper, it's really all you can see, that jumbo swoosh. And this jumbo swoosh is in leather, and then it's actually got another swoosh painted on top of that, like a type of design. So you've got a double swoosh type of look, but it is only one with paint on top. On the heel we've got that Nike, massive. And then literally the whole heel is suede, apart from the Nike and then the bits of leather. The inner swoosh is just the leather one. It's not got the spray paint type of effect on it. Then we've got literally all leather around the shoe. Even the toe box and the wraparound bit on the toe, that's all leather. It does have the stitching effect, which is not really on the normal ones. And then on the inside we've got all that leather again. With the laces, they are the jumbo laces, so they're not like thin laces. And then on the tongue we've got it jumbo again, and then it's got that type of sponge unfinished tongue. So I really do like these jumbo ones, to be honest. I'll be honest, they do look, quite good on shorts and stuff. I like how they are leather on the toe box. That's always a bonus. I think they're really cool, to be honest, man. They're quite different. Not a lot of people wear blazers, or that I've seen. Something a bit different, something good for the summer. Nice summer colorway as well, white with blue. And yeah, decent shoe. I don't really have much more to say about it, apart from like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video, and take care, my people.
Bye.